Hey there, it's Andrew. And did you know that HighLevel has a gray label mobile app called LeadConnector that allows you and your customers to manage your businesses on the go? It's super easy. Let me show you how it works. To install the mobile app, navigate to Mobile App on the left-hand menu. You can download the app by simply clicking Download for the App Store or for the Google Play Store. Be sure to open this link on your mobile device so you can download the mobile app. You can also invite users on your sub account to download your mobile app by clicking Team Member and then selecting your team member from the list and then clicking Send Invites. Once you download the app, log in with the same login info that you used to log into the desktop application. And don't worry if you forgot your password, it's easy to change by navigating to Settings, My Profile, and then you can change your password on the right-hand side. Within the mobile app, you can manage things like notifications, conversations, point of sale transactions, calendars, contacts, and so much more. Be sure to explore all of the different functionality within the mobile app so you can manage your business on the go using HighLevel. As always, thanks for letting me share this feature with you. I hope you found this helpful and thank you for watching.